Hello guys, Andrew Fessick here, and I have another video for you. Really one thing happened this weekend. It's very important to talk about. So I'm gonna get into it. Trade war continued, tariffs were upped, and really that's the only news there was. So I'm not gonna upload a 10-second vid, so we're gonna go a bit more in depth about this, the effects and all that. So the tariffs were at 10% on $200 billion worth of goods, and 25% on $50 billion of high tech. And now it is 25% on $200 billion worth of goods. Now, if there are more tensions, there's a chance China will cancel their trade talks in the future with us. Because they already didn't come out with anything in the last ones. If they keep pushing back, that could be bad. And here's where it gets bad. So alright, let's get started. So the real problem is that the tariffs, that goes back to the companies. So say Apple, their iPhone, right? Their iPhone comes over. If that's hit with tariffs, which right now I do not believe it is, but in the future it could be. They have two choices. They either can absorb the costs, lower margins. People aren't going to like that, or the investors aren't going to like that. Could send the stock down. Now, Apple actually, as a company, if their tariffs, these tariffs go in place, their stock could drop a lot. I would be scared. And if there's one other way, which is where they raise prices. Now, if enough companies raise prices on their products, that will create inflation, sometimes even high inflation. If there's high inflation, it will domino into worse things. The Fed will probably raise higher rates, which will, make bonds more valuable. They're less risky, so why wouldn't you want to go to a bond instead of stocks? The stock market will fall. That will not be good. We saw that in October through December. They were raising rates. Market was falling. There's all this fear that the bonds would become more attractive with such low risk. So that's really the bad thing. It's the rates. It's if the prices increase, because they might, inflation would increase, and then interest rates increase, and that will derail the markets again. No doubt about it. So that's it. Have a good week. Pay attention to the trade news. That's what's going to be the big stuff.